And keeping our focus on Mumbai and the state of Maharashtra, which is the worst affected state, they've also eased curbs in non-containment zones. The Maharashtra government has allowed the functioning of standalone shops, including liquor shops, in all zones except containment zones. Standalone shops selling non-essential items have begun operations in red zones. Construction activities in all red zone districts are allowed, provided workers are available on site and no workers are required to be brought in from outside. All malls and complexes will remain closed. Maharashtra reported 678 fresh cases in the last 24 hours, with the total cases crossing the 12,900 mark and over 500 deaths being confirmed so far.
Maharashtra government on Sunday has issued a certain relaxation in a containment zone as well. Now Mumbai, being a metro city, is falling under the red zone. But in spite of that, there will be certain relaxations that the state government has announced. Now we are in the Dadar area of Mumbai. Now according to the relaxations, 5 non-essential shops will also remain open, but containment zones will continue to have all those restrictions. So as you can see, shops slowly have started to open. But one of the major disadvantages, if you can say, about the relaxation that is being given is that we are seeing these type of crowds on the streets of Mumbai at this point. People here, this is a bus stop at Dadar TT, and as you can see, people have gathered in large number on the streets to take buses to their respective offices or any establishments where they work. And you can see social distancing has gone for a complete toss. Almost at least hundreds of people gathered here at the bus stop to catch the bus, and with little or no social distancing at all. And the number of people coming in is slowly increasing here. So the state government, though, has announced certain relaxation, they will also see to it that these type of crowdings have to be contained, unless otherwise this will lead to more problems, especially given the fact that Mumbai has the maximum number of cases. With camera person Raju Inamdar, Kamlesh Sutar in Mumbai for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.